What's up, guys? It's me. Hey, bro, want to see my face again? And today we're gonna be reacting to SMG4. Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. But before we react to this video, I'm gonna say that again, Jab Roblox Gaming, I guess. He's commented on me. Replied on me. Can you react to this video? And I am. So yeah, let's react to this video now. That is Mario's house. Papyrus, what are you doing? I'm just eating spaghetti. Oh, well, great. It was just a joke, a little joke I made up. And all of a sudden, Mario ate all of his spaghetti in 5 seconds, possibly.
It was a lots of fun.
That was Mario, are you on crack? Cause what happened to your face? So funny, man. He's fat, man. This is Santa Claus trying to look for milk, cause he's Mario's so fat.
Oh no!
That's Santa when he doesn't have any milk.
Uh-oh.
Mamma mia!
No, Milky. I now know what I have to do.
Yes, you know. Groceries.
Oh,
Yes. Oh, wow, how savage.
Moving on the ground, moving on the ground.
Moving.
Alrighty.
Let's find the milk. Oh, why you knock him off,
Howdy there,
Mario?
Mario. What's up?
You devil,
Hello.
Mario.
Tutto lavato, lapito.
Yeah, that's a milk, man.
Oh, the milk section's right over there.
Where's the milk? Yes! That's so weird. Look at Mario's face. So weird.
That's a Sonaki.
Look at his face. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god, battle. They're fighting against the milk. Let's see who can get it first. Uh-oh. Rest in peace,
Guys, you dropped
He did
something.
not
You
die.
might want to pick it up.
Oh,
Okay, no.
man. Rest in peace, Mushroom Guy. 2019 to 2019. Wow, he's clearly dead.
Sorry about it.
Oh, Donkey Kong appeared because you shouldn't fight against milk. So yeah, no guns allowed.
How you doing?
Oh, the police kicked them out.
No.
Where are you gonna get your milk? Yeah, where's your milk, Toad? Oh yeah, the Apple Jacks there, you see? Oh, and the Clorox. Ew. Why you put Clorox in the fridge? Ew.
Man, give me my goddamn milk.
Poor Toad, man. Look at Toad's eyes.
Oh yeah.
It's a truck.
Go Ouija, go Ouija.
The Moo Moo milk. This is the Moo Moo truck. Say the Moo Moo truck. Yes. Oh. Man, they're so surprised. Their eyes like popped up. It's Luigi, man. Look at Luigi's face. Good for the milk, Toad and Mario. Wow, thank God you didn't get hit by those ropes, man.
I am lonely.
Hold on. Look at Toad's eyes. Red light. And coloring, I don't know. Wow, poor Toad. Wow. Green. Hit the paddles. Wow, poor Mario. Wow, poor Mario and Toad.
Hey, baby, you looking
There's
fine.
like, Luigi, like, there's a, what? Is Mario dead? And he screamed. Oh my god, now they crash because he's
Oh no.
no.
Hey,
Wow, the
Stinky,
milk
do you
spilled.
have any? Stinky? No.
It's all gone.
Mamma mia.
No more milk. So,
Okay, brother.
I got it.
Let's do this Mario style.
Mamma mia.
what is it?
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start.
Good
taking
idea, Mario.
Wow, Mario.
So weird.
Mamma mia.
Well, I cannot believe Toad is alive. Wow, cannot believe it. He's strong.
What?
The Moo Moo milk, yeah, I knew it. And now they made a factory out of Moo Moo milk. The truck.
Okay.
What Toad changed? Oh yeah, there's no gun at the Toad's face.
Right, here we go.
Mamma mia.
No guns allowed, Mario. Poor Mario. Oh, now there's the factory of milk. I have to drink the milk you have, Mario. You can drink so many milk, man. Look at Mario's face, man.
Mario's winner just got a little bit harder.
that is
Come
funny.
here, fishy.
It's the milk, police.
Drop your weapon.
Oh my god. You should have touched the milk,
There
Mario.
goes Mario's phone. Mario!
Hope you safe, Mario. It's Fork Man. Face. No. Hold on. I found some logic here. How can you drink milk with a fork? It makes no sense. Oh, wow, this is getting ridiculous.
Whoa! Yippee! Wow!
Wow, poor Toad and Luigi. Yeah, you should have touched the milk, Mario, or all of this could happen. Okay, he's raging now. He's raging. The milk, please.
You're right there! Oh, hey, Luigi! Why'd you
Oh my god. Let's try to get this milk, Mario. Oh no, no. Now Luigi turned into a package. He turned into a mug. Oh way, now I hope he doesn't get shoot.
I warned ya!
Oh, now he's leaving. Oh, rest in peace, Toad. 2019 to 2019. Wow, he's clearly dead for now.
Never take me alive.
Oh my god, now he's unintended. Oh, he's now captured. No, now he's becoming fat. Now he's going to get killed. Uh-oh. Don't get that in the face. Uh-oh. No. It's like, the fork is like, no! Ah! And it's stuck. And now they're inside the truck. Wow, that's so jeez. Oh, now it's Steve on Mario's world. That's logic. Wow, poor Mario, Luigi, and Toad. So many cows. You have all the milk you want there. Yes. Oh, how the truck is blowing.
Bye.
I think Steve is a farmer, man.
Oh no!
Yeah. Be careful. You got all the milk. Uh-oh. No milk, man. No, now he's like, no, don't kill me. Oh, no, okay. Now he's dead.
Oh
He
yeah.
thought he was going to get shot, but no. Oh, now you can get all your milk, man. Get that milk.
Hello. Tutto lavato, lo
One glass
vedo.
of milk, please. Uh-oh.
Ehi, stinky.
He's stinky. Like, oh, spaghetti. Papaya moves. Why would you eat more spaghetti? If the cows don't get spaghetti,
Mamma mia.
wait, how can it create spaghetti? No, it's the video turned to Mario Odyssey. Now Mario is in the cow. Not really.
I'm gonna milk you so
It's the cow stole Mario's hat and mustache as well.
hard.
Here's the police cow. The cow police. Oh no. Oh. Wow.
Nintendo.
So,
Oh yeah.
this is just getting hilarious and it's nighttime.
Oh,
believe it,
let's
man.
go. No. Okay.
Not that much milk. Sucks for you, Luigi.
It's the real
Mario.
What are you doing there?
Jesus! You should face up to
Oh
the
no,
consequences
now
of your
Toad's arrested by the cow police.
decision.
Oh.
No, man! And now he's no! It's juice now. Oh, shoot. Oh my god.
Hey,
Run away!
why are you running?
Oh, now he got forced.
Seven across the
Now he's gonna get forced to death.
Luigi.
Oh hell no!
Save Luigi, cow. What the heck?
Say what?
What? That was not good. What's going on? Oh, now they're being tortured. Those poor cows.
Oh no.
Oh, looks like James is getting tortured. Oh, poor. Look at those nuts. No, they froze, man. They froze. Oh, wow. Get in the war, a cow and milk. Oh, victory war.
Luigi. Yoo-hoo.
Oh. Get Toad out of the cage, man. Oh, now he get it.
Wow.
Where are you going, Toad? Wow. Poor Steve, man. I cannot believe it. He got damaged. Uh-oh, it's Steve's again. Oh, no. Oh, no, he's got Toad. Yeah, that what that juice deserved.
Oh, wow.
Well, now Beachy turned to original. Now let's escape here. Oh my. It's a horrible day to Steve, man. Now back to Mario's house with the truck, with the moo-moo truck. Oh my god. Now the friends are back. Man, this is so lame.
Let's go.
It's time for some yummy. What's going on? Oh my god. They're getting triggered. Man. Well, thanks. Thanks. So it was fun to make this video. It was also funny. What? Well, yeah, goodbye.